Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn multiplication of large numbers. You already learned multiplication of small numbers in 4th class. Today I am going to explain you multiplication of large numbers. But before moving to that, we will see what is the meaning of multiplication. Multiplication is a repeated addition. Okay, I'll say you 2 3 is a 6, right? So 2 is how many times 2 is repeating here? 3 times, right? 2 plus 2 plus 2, if we will do, what we will get? 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 again 6. So multiplication is nothing but it is a repeated addition. जब आप कोई नंबर को रिपीटेडली ऐड करेंगे, जो आंसर आएगा आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन में भी वही आंसर आएगा. सो मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज नथिंग बट इट इज अ रिपीटेड एडिशन. कीप इन योर माइंड, मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज अ repeated addition. Multiplication is a repeated addition. Okay, multiplication is the process of adding a number to itself a certain number of times, or we can say multiplication is the act or process of multiplying number to find the product. The symbol used for multiplication is into, we will use x, you will use, right? The symbol for addition is plus, the symbol for subtraction is minus, the symbol for multiplication is into. We'll say into. Okay, into, or in alphabets if we will see, it is x. Okay, capital X. Here in multiplication we are having how many terms? First of all, you've got to know that multiplication is a repeated addition. We will multiply some number to get the product. Sign of multiplication is capital X, that is into. Okay, next we will see how many terms in multiplications we are having. I'm showing you single digit numbers first. You already learned, I think you remember also. 2 3s are 6. In addition we are having how many terms? If I'm adding 2 plus 3, 5, right? So what do you call these two terms in addition? Addends. Result of addition, what do you call? Sum, right? Similarly, in subtraction, what do you call the first number? Minuend. Second number, subtrahend. And the result of subtraction is difference. Yes, we learned already this one, right? Addition we learned, subtraction we learned. In addition we are having two terms, we call that two terms addends, and result of addition is sum. In subtraction we are having three terms. First term we call minuend, second term subtrahend, result of subtraction is difference. Now here we will see, you can able to see here we are having three numbers, 2 3 and 6. The number which we are going to multiply, we call it as multiplicand. Okay, we call it as multiplicand because we are multiplying this number, right? Multiplicand. Yeah, the number being multiplied, the number being multiplied is called multiplicand. The number being multiplied is called multiplicand. The number by which multiplicand is multiplied, जो नंबर से multiplicand multiply हो रहा उसको आप बोलेंगे multiplier. Multiplier. Okay, multiplier. The answer of multiplication, we call it as product. Product. Okay, I hope you all understood this one. The number which we are going to multiply, we call it as multiplicand. The number being multiplied, right? The number being multiplied is called multiplicand. The number from which we are going to multiply is called multiplier. The result of multiplication is product. The number being multiplied is called multiplicand. The number by which multiplicand is multiplied, multiplicand जो number से multiply हो रहा है उसको बोलेंगे आप multiplier. Result of multiplication is product. Remember this. Maybe in exam I'll give you in fill in the blank what is a I'll give you one example and write. I'll ask you to write multiplicand and multiplier. So don't get confused. The second number we call it as multiplicand. First one is multiplier, and result of multiplication is product. I hope you all understood this one. And one more thing I want to tell you. Here I told you 2 3 3 is multiplicand, right? This one is multiplier, right? So we'll say this 2 and 3 are also factors. Okay, both multiplicand and multiplied are called product of the factors. Okay, we'll say product of the factors. आप इसको बोलेंगे product of the factors. Factors का product रहेगा बोलेंगे. Okay, factors also. Multiply 2 and 3 are factors of 6. About factors we will learn in detail in next class. Next we will take some numbers. Let's take example 1. Before doing multiplication problems, you should learn tables. You are in 5th standard, right? So you should learn tables till 15, but at least learn till 12. Okay, before doing this multiplication problems, I'm giving you worksheet, right? Before doing that worksheet, don't directly simply take your mobile phone and don't simply sit and copy from your mobile phone. I'm going to checking the carries as well. In subtraction also, if I corrected some papers, I didn't find the carry. So that's why I put the wrong. Why? I didn't find the carry. That means you copied from somewhere. Okay, I think you didn't copy, but in my point of view, I'll not consider that solution. So remember this, whenever you are doing multiplication problems or subtraction, put carries, okay? And one more thing, whenever you are starting multiplication, learn tables till 15, it's well and good, very good. But if you are learning till 12 also, it's good. So try to learn tables till 12 perfectly. Okay, when you are sleeping, if your mother wake up you and ask you what is the table of 12 to 12, tell. Do that, you will say that 12 ones are 12, 12 is a 24, like that in fast speed. That to correct one. So in that manner, learn tables perfectly. I want perfection in your table. So kindly, I am requesting you, learn tables till 12 perfectly. We will see one question. We'll see how many digit. 4 digit, 5 digit with 1 digit, 5 digit with 2 digit, multiplication, and 5 digit with 2 digit. Okay. 34,123. We'll write here only. 34,123 multiply. Find the product means you have to do multiplication only. Okay, I'm taking how many digit number? 5 digit number. If you want to put the place values, you can. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, this is ones. Only one number you are having, so that's why we are putting ones. We'll start doing the multiplication. Solution. Okay, whenever you are doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, put the place values. Good. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, so what is our first number we will say, right? What do you say, this number which we are going to multiply? We are going to multiply 4 by this number. This we call it as multiplier. That's why we are keeping it first. 34,123. What is our second number? Multiplicand, right? What is our multiplicand there? 4. Put the multiplication sign. Okay, start doing the multiplication. You have to start your multiplication from ones position only. Same how you are doing addition and subtraction. See first, here we are having only 1 digit. In your class, 5th class, you are having 2 digit, 3 digit as well. So whenever you are doing some multiplication problem, you have to start from ones position and from first digit. Okay. Here, what is our ones position? What is our first digit? 4. In ones position, what is our first multiplicand number? 4. So I am going to start multiplying with each and every digit. मैं ये number को हर एक digit से multiply करूँगी. Okay. Start doing 4. Above 4, which number? 3. Multiply that. फिर after 3, 2. After 2, 1. After 1, 4. After 4, 3. Like that. Above 4, we are having 3, right? Multiply. 4, 3s are. Like that. 4, 3s are. We'll get what? 12. 4, 3s are 12. So here we are having how many digit? We are getting 2 digit. So directly we can write, children, here 12. No, it's wrong. Because we can't place 2 digits as a product, right? Because we are having tens, ones, 100,000. So what's our main reason? What we have to do? We have to send this one as a carry. Okay, we have to send this one as a carry and we have to keep 2 as it is. right? So 4 threes are 12, right? So 2 I am keeping here and I am sending 1 as a carry. Okay, next 4 twos are multiply like this. See, 4 threes are we did. Next 4 twos are. Learn 4 table perfectly. See, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 8, right? 4 twos are 8. We got 8. 8, we have to add this carry plus 1. We will get 9. Don't multiply 8 ones are 8. Or don't do like this. 4 twos are 8. Then 4 ones are 4. Both are wrong. Many students will do. See, 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 1. 9 they will write. Okay, that's good. Next they will do 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4. 8 plus 4, 12. It is wrong. 4 twos are 8, 8 ones are 8. It is also wrong. These two are wrong. This one is right. Okay. So here 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Remember, we have to add carry. We should not multiply, or we should not multiply with this number or with the answer of that 4 twos are 8. Okay, with the product. Next, we done with one sentence. Next, we will move to 100. 4 ones are. 4 ones are. Many students will get confused. 4 1. See here, 4 1. This is our multiplicand. This is our multiplier. Both are here. So we have to write the result of multiplication. 4. 4 ones are. 4. Next, we done with 100 also. Next, 4 fours are. 4 fours are 16. So 6 I am writing here because it is a two digit number and I am sending 1. Okay, 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Like that you have to do. Once again I am showing, listen carefully and do it carefully. If you are doing good, I will give you 5 stars. Okay. 4 threes are 12. 2 I am writing here. I am sending 1 carry. 4 twos are. Multiply this. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. 6. 1 I am sending carry. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So, what is the answer for this? We will write here. Therefore, I am writing like this. 34,100 because I am not having fill in the blank there. What is the answer? 136,492. I am putting commas here. Don't put commas here. So here our answer is 1,36,492. Hope you all understood. We'll move to next problem. Okay, I am to start doing the solution. I am putting the place values ones, tens. Here we are having how many digit? Multiplicand 2 digit. Here we are having 1 digit multiplicand, right? Here we are having 2 digits. So that's why I am putting ones and tens. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Similarly, ones and tens, put the place values first. 100, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. What is our first number? 65,142. What is our second number? Multiplicand 35. I am writing ones position. See, 5 is at ones position. Write it 5. If you are writing like this and doing multiplication, it is wrong, children. See, it is at ones position. 3 is at tens position. So write 35 like this. Okay. Next. Here we are having 2 digit. Here we did with 1 digit. It is very easy. It is also very, very easy. But listen carefully and how we have to put the carries and all. Okay. See, what is our first number here? We should not go with 3. We should go with 5 because 5 is at ones position. And that is our first digit. 5 twos are 10. 0 I am keeping here. I am sending 1 carry. Don't send 1 carry here because you are multiplying these numbers first with 5. पहले आप पूरे ये नंबर्स को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. ओके, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1 21, 1 I am writing, 2 I am sending carry. Okay, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2 7, like this. 5 5s are 25, 5 I am writing, I am sending 2 carry. Okay, 5 6s are 30, 30 plus 2 32. Okay, see here, once again I'll show you. 5 2s are 10, 0, I'm sending 1 carry. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1 21, 1 I'm keeping here. See, 21 we'll get, right? So one's value we are keeping down, and tens we are sending carry. Okay, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1 21, 1 2 carry. 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2 7, 5 5s are 25, 5 I'm writing here, I'm sending 2 carry. 5 6 are, like this you have to multiply. 5 6 are 5 5s are 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 2 32. Okay, we have done with one digit. Next we will move to second digit. Okay, so whenever you are starting with second digit, first of all we have to leave some place. Okay, we have to leave some place, or you can keep 0, or you can put this symbol, cross symbol, or you can keep 0. Okay, in your reader they have given you 0. Why we are keeping 0 here means we have done with one's position, one digit. वन डिजिट का आपका मल्टीप्लीकेशन कंप्लीट हो गया है, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर कीपिंग 0 and then we have to start next digit. If you are not keeping 0, if you directly start 3 2s are 6, it is wrong. You will get the wrong answer. Anyhow you are doing right, but you will get the wrong answer because it is wrong. So in your reader they are keeping 0. You can keep x also if you want to play, if you want to what I can say, leave this place. If you want to leave this place, you can keep x also, or you can keep 0 because 0 is not having any value. Then start multiplication of 3. 3 2s are 6, then 3 2s are finish, 3 4s are 3 2s are, see, like this, 3 2s are done. Next move to 3 4s are 3 4s are 12. Don't see the carries, this carries belongs to 5. Okay, 3 4s are 12, so 2 we are writing here, and I am sending carry above this number. Don't erase this also because this carries belongs to 5. What we are sending carries, we have to keep above that carry. वो carry के ऊपर रखेंगे, आप erase मत करिए. Okay, 3 4s are 12, right? The 2 I am writing here, I am sending 1 carry. 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 4. Okay, 3 5s are 15, 5 I am writing here 1 I am sending carry. 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 1, don't add this carry belongs to this. 3 1s are, we did, see, 3 2s are 6, we did, 3 4s are 12. Okay, carry 1, 3 1s are 3, 1 I am adding 4, 3 5s are 15, 5 I am sending 1 carry. 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 1, don't add this carry, add this carry because this carry belongs to 3, this 2 carry belongs to 5. 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 1 19. Okay, then add this numbers. One more thing I want to tell you here, whenever some students, what they will do, if they are adding some numbers here, we are doing addition, no, at the time I'll show you that. 0 plus 0, 0 only. Okay, 1 plus 6 7, add this. See, in multiplication we will do, whenever we are starting with 2 digit, in 1 digit we can do simply, but whenever we are starting with 2 digit, we are doing multiplication as well as addition. Because फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इनिशियली स्टार्टिंग में आप क्या करते हैं, दो नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, देन वी विल ऐड दिस नंबर्स, वी विल ऐड द प्रोडक्ट्स. What you will get, first we will multiply this number with all the digits, then the second number with all the digits, right? So after multiplication we will add these two प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ दिस टू नंबर्स. जो भी ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट्स आया है वो दोनों को ऐड करना है आपको. यू आर डायरेक्टली कीपिंग सिंपली दैट माई मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज कंप्लीटेड, इट इज रॉन्ग. व्हेन आफ्टर मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ दिस नंबर्स यू हैव टू ऐड द प्रोडक्ट्स. दीज आर द प्रोडक्ट्स, राइट? दिस 32,000 3,25,710 is a product of 5 and we can say 1,95,000 19,54,260 is a product of 3, right? So we are going to add this. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, how much? 7 keep in your mind, 2 on your finger. 8, 9. 9. 5 plus 4, 5 keep in your mind, 4 on finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 keep in your mind, 5 on your finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, right? Keep 3 in your mind, 9 on your finger. 9 on my finger, I am keeping 3 in my mind. After 3, I am counting 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, right? So here, we are getting 12. So what some students will do, ma'am said to put carry here. That's why we are sending carry here. It is wrong, children. Because whenever you are multiplying these numbers with this, at that time I said you to put carries here. Whenever you are doing addition, don't send carry here. ओके सेंड द कैरी इन एडिशन. एडिशन जब कर रहे हैं आप तो यही कॉलम में रहना, आपका एडिशन यहाँ पे नहीं जाना चाहिए. ओके 9 plus 3 12, so I am sending carry here. After that, after 3 we are having one more digit, send their carry. Okay, 1 plus 1 2. So what is our answer? Therefore 65,142 into 35 is 22,79,970. Right? I'll show you one more problem. First of all, we have to put the place values. Okay, put it here also. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 10,000. Okay, 90,615. Next digit is 12. Right? Start doing the multiplication. 2 5s are 10. 0, I am sending 1 carry. Okay. Write with different chalk. Okay, see 2 5s are, we have to start our multiplication with 1's digit. Our first digit is 2. 2 5s are 10, right? So 0 I am keeping here. I am sending 1 carry. Okay. I'll show you one more thing. Here leave some space for carrying. Don't mix the numbers. Okay. See, 2 5s are 10, right? So 0 I am keeping here, 1 I am sending carry. Write it small because we are having other number and we have to send the carry of the second number as well. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 2 6s are 12, 2 carry 1. 2 zeros are here. Why I have taken one more problem is, here we are having 0 in one multiplier, one number we are having 0. So keep in your mind, whenever you are multiplying any number with 0, you will get the product as 0. 2 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. 13 lakh also if you are taking, if you are multiplying with 0, 13 zeros are 0 because 0 is not having any value. Whenever you are multiplying any number, any number, lakhs, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, billion, million, whatever it may be, if you are multiplying that number with 0, you will get 0 only. Remember this. See, 2 zeros are, here we have to do like this. 2 zeros are 0, right? 2 zeros are 0. We are having 1 carry. Add 1 to that. 0 plus 1, 1. जब आप कोई number में 0 add करते हैं, you will get that same number, right? We learn in properties. 2 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 2 9s are 18. I am directly keeping because next I am not having any digit. I am leaving one space. I am putting with 0. Okay. 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1, 1 6s are 6, 1 zeros are 0 or 1. 1 zeros are 0 because if you are multiplying any digit with 0, you will get 0 only. 1 zeros are 0. Don't see this carry. This carry belongs to 2, right? 1 9s are 9. Do addition. Okay, 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 5, 8. 2 plus 1, 3. 6 plus 1, 7. 8 plus 0, 8. 9 plus 1, 10. Okay. So what is our answer? Therefore, 90,615 multiplied by 12 is 10,87,380. Right, 10,87,380. Once again, I am showing you. See carefully. 2 5s are 10, 0 carry 1, 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 6 are 12. 2 carry 1. 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 2 9s are 18. I am leaving one space because I completed one digit. एक digit हो गया मेरा. That's why I am leaving one space by keeping 0. 1 5s are 5. 1 1s are 1. 1 6s are 6. 1 zeros are 0. Don't say this carry. This carry belongs to 2. 1 9s are 9. Add 0 plus 0, 3 plus 5, 8, 2 plus 1, 3, 1 plus 6, 7, 8 plus 0, 8, 9 plus 1, 10. So our answer is 10,87,380. Hope you all understood this one. I am giving you worksheet of 2 to 3 problems. Very easy. Try to do that. Okay. Jazakallahu khair. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.